how to create new size duct, how to create a duct of new size which is not available in this list. Here there are a couple widths of this size for the height and for the width. So how to create new sizes which is not available on this list. So first I'm going to show you the normal way that most people uses, and then the shortest, I'm gonna show you the shortest way there. So basically, to add new duct sizes here in Revit, you have to go to Manage tab, click on MEP setting. Here in the drop down, click on Mechanical Settings. Here I have a duct setting. For this one, I need to add a new duct size for, I just need for the rectangle one. Click on new size. Here there are a couple sizes here. In addition to this one, I need to add a new size, and I can type any value that I want. Let's say 60. It starts from 75, so let's just make 60. Click OK. Now it's going to be available here. Click OK. Then to draw the duct of that new size, click duct. Here 16 going to be available here on the width. You can do it for the height too. But instead of this one, what I'm going to just do is click a duct. So here on the property panel, there's a dimension here, the width and height. So I can simply type any value like 62 for the width. Click, hit enter. Then for the height, I can say 222, just for the sake of example, to differentiate from the others. So hit enter. Now I can draw that value of, let's change the tag to show the size. So this is the size of this duct, and it's already available on this list. Here 62, and for the height 22 is available, 222 is available. So yeah, this one is the shortest way, just entering any value here for the dimensions instead of going to